All you need to know about Brexit and paperwork. After Brexit, shipments can no longer freely move from Europe to the UK without an invoice. Like it or not, there is now a customs border between Great Britain and the European mainland. And the main consequence is that import VAT and tariffs may apply to goods traded between these territories. But what's the value on which import VAT and tariffs do apply to online sales? The first and foremost customs valuation method is the transaction value method. According to recent statistics, it applies to 90% of global cross-border transactions. It's based on the price applied to the transaction for which the goods are brought to the UK. The biggest form of evidence of the price paid is of course the invoice. In case of audits by HMRC, they will most likely ask for other documents too, for instance proof of payments. But the invoice is a fundamental document to accompany the goods through the border. The invoice must clearly state your company data and your EU VAT number, otherwise the consignments will be at risk of a block at the European external border. Moreover, it must include the list of the products, including the consignment, their price and their harmonized system code, meaning the commodity code linked to a specific product. Customs valuation is indeed based on the HS code. Depending on the type of HS code, different tariffs will apply. For instance, the HS code of a jacket anorak is 6101-30900 and the relative tariff rate is 12%. So an anorak jacket for adults with a price of £500 will be subject to £60 of customs duty and £100 of import VAT as standard rate. At certain conditions, you can now enjoy postponed VAT accounting that allows a UK VAT registered business to report import VAT on their return instead of paying import VAT directly to customs. If the products are originating from Europe, good news, the consignment may enjoy zero tariffs under the new free trade agreement between the EU and the UK, of course to the extent that all statutory requirements are met. You surely need to include a declaration of preferential origin in the invoice or being registered to the REX for consignments with a value exceeding €6,000 in order to enjoy the FTA. You will also have to state any shipping or insurance surcharges on the invoice. Also, the invoice must indicate the Incoterm, meaning the type of agreement in place between the seller and the buyer. For instance, DDU, delivery duty unpaid, means that the UK customer will be responsible for paying import duties to HMRC. So it's entirely a new life for businesses trading with the UK in terms of paperwork. Today I've just tried to give you a quick overview of the existing invoicing requirements, but I strongly advise you search for professional advice tailored to your needs. So have you tried to ship products to the UK already? What was your experience? A positive one or a nightmare? I will be happy to hear your comments, so please feel free to post them below this video. For now, bye bye, see you next week. Ciao!